Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Today is day 7 in the Secret Santa swap, the 24 days of Secret Santa hosted by Scrappy Tate. And so day 7, here we go. Day 7, look at how pretty this packaging is. Like, she is so awesome with this packaging. I just love every attention to detail. So she is washi, she has a rosette, and of course, you know, I'm going to try to reuse this. She has a die cut with the word sweet. She has some layered donuts. She also has just like a little disc piece here, and then one of these die cut. I have this die cut too. So pretty. I love this paper. I wonder if it's all the same paper pack. So you will have to tell me if it is. So day 7. And it's still early in the month. See, that's why I can reuse this packages. So I might not be able to reuse this because I would leave it on there for the regifting. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, look at these stickers. Thank you so much. Yes, look at Cindy. Cindy and her whip. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate these stickers. You know I love Disney. So thank you. That was day 7. Thank you for joining me today and following along. Hope you're having a crafty day. Please like and share my video. And until the next video, you can find more here. Shakas.